Malah jamur. Tadi
bukan ngegerinjel, mengganjal. Kak, janganlah di
masuk. We're going to go to Gua Purbalingga, and I have one guy beside me. I don't know who she is. Okay, let's go. After going to ceremony, it's very tiring. So here we are at Gua. Everybody's here.
Yes, halo guys.
They took so long. Inside the Gua. Hi, hello.
Hai.
It's very big. It's a nice place to visit in Purbalingga. There are only a few people here who visit this place with their families. So, after we circle around here, we're going to go to our exit. As you can see, there's an exit. You wanna see that? It's so cool. Okay, bye. See ya. So I'm just walking from there, take the nice peak of the mountains. I'm going back to my car. So we should cross this rice field, but the road was not too good. So I have to take a small steps here. And that one. Going back to my car. Hello.
Early the next morning.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down.
Iya, sudah masuk ke lokasi onsite Curug Cibedil bersama Drip. Tim Drip. Kita mau coba lihat Curug Cibedil itu kayak gimana. Perjalanannya menyusuri rumah-rumah warga, dibilangnya katanya mobilnya bisa masuk. Cuma kalau bawa mobil Fortuner kayaknya sih nggak bisa masuk. Jalannya segini tuh, lihat tuh, segitu coy. Oke, sampai jumpa di Curug. Kita udah sampai di Curug Cibedil. Curug Cibedil kelihatan di belakangnya. Di sini kosong banget, gak ada orang, masih sangat-sangat bagus. Gue saranin kalau kesini tuh datangnya pagi karena sepi, orang nggak banyak orang. Si selfie. Oke, kita akan main-main di air karena nggak ada orang.
Breaking out, can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your
situ nggak kelihatan. Jadi bukit ini tuh nanjak banget ke atas. Tadi habis main-main air, sekarang kita coba buat naik ke atas. Mungkin capek, mungkin enggak. Let's try. Peace. Yes, baru setengahnya. Tuh, masih ada nanjak lagi ke belakang dan gue capek. Kita udah agak tinggi dari bawah, tapi masih kelihatan view yang bagus.